Tesla. After listening this word, lot of questions will come in our mind. So in this video, we will try to find answers for those questions. So let's begin. First question, what is Tesla? Tesla is the biggest electric car manufacturer. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transmission to sustainable energy. The company is run by CEO and co-founder Elon Musk. What are the impossible goals Tesla achieved? To prove the efficiency of Tesla vehicle, they conducted race between Tesla car versus Boeing flight, and finally Tesla won the race and proved his competence. Tesla introduced a first autonomous electric vehicle using autopilot mode, and vehicle can able to drive by itself on the road without human help. Tesla introduced their own Tesla supercharger stations across North America. In that supercharger station, they use 480 volt direct current fast charging technology. Using this, the vehicle will get full charge within 75 minutes. The Tesla Roadster is the quickest car in the world, with record-setting acceleration, range and performance. This car will reach 0 to 60 miles per hour within 1.9 seconds, and its top speed is 250 miles per hour. You know which Tesla cars are under production? This is Model S, which will cost around $76,000, which will be around 57 lakhs. This is Model 3, which will cost $38,000, which will be around 29 lakhs. This is Model X, which will be around $81,000, which will be 60 lakhs. This is Model Y, and its cost is $54,000, which will be around 40 lakhs. Whether Tesla is coming to India? Yes, Tesla is going to run on the Indian roads. Recently, our Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari sir announced that Tesla will start its operation at India this year. Did you know which Tesla model is coming to India? As per the latest news, Tesla will start its operation at Bangalore and planning to launch Tesla Model 3 in India because this is cheapest among all Tesla models. What will be the cost of this Tesla model in India? As already mentioned, the cost of Model 3 at USA is around $38,000, which will be around 29 lakhs in Indian rupees. But if this Tesla model came to India, it will cost around 60 lakhs. Now, you may thought why there is such a huge price gap between USA and in India. Because this is complete car, which will be directly imported from the country of manufacturer and sold to the Indian customer without any assembly. So when one complete car imported to India, then car owner needs to pay 100% import tax duty to the Indian government. Because of this, the price of the imported vehicle will be double the amount. Now the next question is, where these vehicles are built? These Tesla vehicles are built in China. The main reason to build in China is for any electric vehicles, the most important part are its batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are used in these electric vehicles. China is having biggest infrastructure and market for electric vehicles, and also China is having 6th largest mines for lithium ions. So Tesla started their production house in China. After seeing this price, you may think, will Tesla run successfully in India? Let's discuss some facts. Price. If you see, the price of Tesla is almost double as compared to US, and it is out of budget for most of us. Second thing is charging facility. Currently in India, there is less number of power charging stations are available. So for long distance travel, using EV will be big issue. Considering this factor, Tesla need to start their in-house vehicle production for Indian market to reduce the vehicle cost. Along with this, Indian government need to build the infrastructure for electric vehicles. When this both will happen, there will be chances to see more Tesla vehicles on Indian roads. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.